All right, so let's see what's in the box on this green sweep, turf sweeper, and how to put it together. Pretty well packaged. Yeah, pretty heavy box actually. So we've got, looks like we've got the debris catcher. Let's see, some knobs of some kind, directions of some kind. And let's get the bolts of the machine out of here. All right. So it looks like there's the handle, but it's attached. So you have to kind of pull it out all at once. Okay. What's this? The handle. All right. So everything's wrapped in plastic. Let's go. Okay. I did not read any of the directions, or I have no idea how to put this together, so let's see if we can do it without directions. It's fairly put together for the most part. Okay. Get that out of here. All right, so there we go. So there's the machine, and I bet you, yeah, that's what you do. I bet you. Okay. So, take out the plastic. These little guys are the bolts. So, there's a little captive bolt and the screw head. So, betcha this gets spun down, and there's a little groove that, so this is your angle. Yeah, there you go. So, once you get the bars on, this is your angle for, you know, how high or low when you're working on it. Down once you get it in the groove. Okay, and this, I'm guessing, will go on there. I'm guessing this is going to go. Okay, so this is the power plug. So this is the right-hand side. Okay. Yeah. All right, so it's kind of like a lawnmower. There's your power button. There's your probably a safety of some kind. All right. So this bar go on the inside. I'm not sure if it goes on the inside or the outside. Let's see. Let's see, is there a picture? Not helpful. Oh wait, that is helpful actually. Okay, so it goes in. All right, so when you put this on, you don't want it wide, you want it narrow. So you want to go from wide to narrow. That's how that works. All right. So, I don't know if you can see that. It's wide, narrow. So your bars are going to bend in. Yeah, not too bad actually. All right, wide to narrow. Yeah, just goes in, locks in like that. That's pretty easy. Get my other two ready. Yeah, there's some grooves here. Okay, goes like that. Put that through. So it looks like yeah, this is it. This is pretty easy actually. Let's get a lot of stuff. This is way better than IKEA. All right. Okay. So I'll just tighten those up, and then the angle. So this is pretty low. I mean, imagine it's low. It's not on the ground, but it's pretty low. But the angle can be adjusted by loosening these bolts and tilting up and down. So. Good twist. There you go. Just gotta lock them both in. Okay, there's 2 little grooves. Yeah, that's, there you go. Fully assembled. All right, it's pretty easy actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you go. I guess these are clips for a power cord of some kind, probably. Oh, you put these on, they hold the power cord from dangling. So 1, 2. All right, there you go. Fairly simple, very easy.